Hey everyone, welcome to day 28 of our summer sketches. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this little giraffe using the letter H. We're going to start with a lowercase h, and I'm going to start with my pencil here because we're going to need to erase a little bit of this H at some point. So we're starting with our H. Next, we're going to draw the head, so come up to the top of the H and just draw an oval shape. And we're going to give it ears. And giraffe have these cute little bumps on the top of their head. Anyone know what they're called? I'm going to give it some eyes. And a line for the nose with some nostrils and a cute smile. So from this ear, we're gonna draw the neck down till we get to the H here. And then you're gonna come down to the bottom of this H, draw a line over, and we're following that H line over to the other bottom part. We're gonna add a line here for the tail. And now we get to draw our details of some hair on the back of the neck coming down the mane. And then we can, if you want, you can make this neck a little thicker. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just kind of make this come down just a little bit. And I'm gonna erase here. Okay. And then giraffe have these awesome markings. I love giraffes so much. I think that they are magnificent animals. They are just beautiful. Have you ever fed a giraffe a piece of lettuce and had it stick its tongue out and grab the lettuce from you? I love it. All right, and there's our cute giraffe. Let's outline him. I'm gonna change the eyes just a little. All right, let's erase our pencil lines. Who knew you could draw a cute giraffe using the letter H? This is so fun. Let's get some color. And all month we have been doing these summer sketches, which are easy drawings using numbers and letters. And I can't believe we're almost to the end of the month. Oh my gosh. I want to know, have you guys been drawing along with me? And what's been your favorite drawing so far? I am loving this little giraffe. Oh, it's just so cute. And there you have it. A little giraffe using the letter H. I hope you come back tomorrow for our next summer sketch.